Good morning. It's Monday, June 24th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. We do have a line of showers and thunderstorms that popped up this morning, moved through northwest Georgia, through metro Atlanta over the last couple of hours, and now crossing I-85 there south of metro Atlanta. This looks like a frontal boundary, and it kind of is in a way, but we're not going to see a big change in our temperatures today. This is not going to be bringing us cool air by any means, but just starting out with those thunderstorms and the weather models, which I'll show you in just a second, having a hard time even picking up on these storms. It just kind of surprised a lot of the weather models, but we knew it was possible with all the humidity in the atmosphere, and we do have plenty of instability. So I think these storms are going to continue to hold together as they move through middle Georgia and heading down towards southeast Georgia through the day today. Temperatures are kind of wild because of these storms. Take a look at this, especially up in the northwest corner of the state. So 81 in Rome, 73 down in Carrollton. So they had the rain, so it's a little cooler there. LaGrange at 73. Athens without the rain, 81. Atlanta had some showers there, so they're in the upper 70s. And then before the rain hits down in South Georgia, we show those upper 70s, 79 all over the place, and a couple of 77s in there just for good measure. Now let's take a look at our heat index forecast for today, which is right here. It's going to be hot and humid and really going to depend on these showers, thunderstorms, and how much cloud cover when it reaches your area, whether or not we actually hit these numbers today. But actual highs will be in the mid to upper 90s across the state, factoring the humidity, and then we'll tack on a few more degrees to that. Statesboro going to feel like 101, as well as Valdosta and Albany. Columbus will feel like 100 this afternoon if we get a decent amount of sunshine today. We know we're going to get the humidity. Those dew points are in the upper 70s. That's very, very uncomfortable in parts of South Georgia. So plenty of humidity there, and that's going to help build up those showers and thunderstorms as we move through the day today. All right, let's get to the weather modeling here, and let me advance up to where we are at 8 o'clock this morning. Again, the weather models are just completely thrown off by that little line of thunderstorms. This is the best model that I could find, and we still have to use our imagination a little bit because we know those showers are moving into Macon right now, but we're showing the bulk of the rain in this model moving up toward Augusta. So just know the line by 9 o'clock now, we'll just advance it. We'll be connecting Augusta to Macon down to Columbus, and that's going to be filled in with much more rain than indicated here. And as we head toward 11 noon today, we're showing that line start to fade out. Not necessarily sure that's going to be the case. Just know that these storms are going to be cycling through as they continue to move down toward the southeast. So expect those showers and thunderstorms moving through Augusta afternoon and then down toward Waynesboro, Statesboro, Swainsboro around noon, 1 o'clock today, and thunderstorms passing through Columbus as well around that same time. And then southwest Georgia picking up those thunderstorms later on this afternoon. Savannah could see those pop-up showers by about 4 o'clock or so. And then we get that atmosphere really heating up and the fireworks start to pop up again at around 5 o'clock or so. So just expect thunderstorms mainly in south and middle Georgia as we continue to move through the evening and late night hours tonight. So as we move through the overnight hours, going to be fairly quiet, maybe some showers in the extreme eastern part of the state, but we start out very muggy again tomorrow morning. And look at this. Looks like a quiet day as we get started on Tuesday, but not for long. Heading into the afternoon, this is noon tomorrow, we start to see those thunderstorms fire up in parts of southeast Georgia. And this could be a little more widespread, so just know as we start heating up tomorrow, thunderstorms are going to be likely. We have enough instability there to get these storms going, and some of these could be strong. We don't have a severe weather risk for tomorrow, but some heavy rain associated with a few of these cells. And then moving into tomorrow evening, everything gets quiet once again. So we're locked in that summertime pattern. Temperatures will be very hot over the next few days and lots of humidity as well. So stay cool and stay hydrated. That's the latest from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.